How to start a YouTube channel, part 3, laying the foundation. That's next. Before we get started, I'd like to read a disclaimer. The information I'm presenting in this series is based upon the research I performed for starting my channel, along with my actual experience over the past 22 months. Please note that following my recommendations and suggestions will not guarantee results. However, following my recommendations and suggestions, along with creating good quality content, will put you in a position to succeed. It seems almost on a weekly basis I get emails or comments on why and how I started my drone YouTube channel. So I decided to put together a multi-part series on how to start a drone YouTube channel. In part 1, I covered some of the basics about setting up your YouTube channel. In part 2, I went over the tools that you will need for your YouTube channel. Today in part 3, we'll cover laying the foundation for your YouTube channel. So we've got the basics and tools taken care of, and that means we can start shooting videos now, Bill, right? Well, there's one more thing you need to do before shooting videos, and that's to lay a good foundation. And if any of you have ever built a house, you know it's exciting to watch the house being built. Valerie and I did that back in 2014. After the builder clears and grades the land, they get the pipes in place for plumbing, and then they lay the foundation. Now, if it's done right, you're going to have a solid, well-built house for many years to come. If it's not done right, you'll be facing a number of challenges and hurdles that you weren't expecting. Now, in order to get started here, we're going to go over several areas that I believe are key in laying a good foundation for your YouTube channel. The first is I'd recommend joining and liking several Facebook drone groups and pages. It's excellent to interact and post content such as pictures or short videos. That's a great way to get to know others in the drone community as well. Now, second, I would create both a Facebook group and Facebook page using your YouTube channel name. I'd recommend using the logo you had created as your Facebook page and Facebook group picture, and a favorite drone still as your cover picture on your Facebook page. To fill in your description, I'd recommend using your About Me section from your YouTube channel to keep things consistent between your YouTube channel and your Facebook group and Facebook page. Start populating both your group and page with pictures from your drone, manufacturer tutorials from YouTube, short video clips from your drone, clips you found useful from YouTube, news articles about drones, etc. In conjunction with this, I'd also recommend getting some of your friends and family to like your Facebook page, join your Facebook group, and comment on your posts. Now, third, I'd recommend creating a Twitter account, and again, trying to incorporate your YouTube channel name as best as you can. When creating your Twitter account, be sure to post your YouTube channel name and URL in the profile. Use the same picture you used to create your Facebook page to keep things consistent. Go out and find drone-related content, Twitter accounts, and follow them. Retweet with comments content that is meaningful to you. Post pictures and add comments to tweets. Get friends and family who are on Twitter to follow you. Bonus tip number 1, link your Facebook page and Twitter account. That means every time you post something to your Facebook page, it will post on Twitter, but it does need to be set up on Facebook. Bonus tip number 2, keep this account for drone-related content only. Fourth, create an Instagram account. Incorporate your YouTube channel name as best as you can into your Instagram account. Use a favorite picture of yourself with your drone from your profile picture. As with your Twitter profile, make sure you place your YouTube's URL and your Instagram profile. Unfortunately, this is the only place that Instagram allows you to place working URLs. Follow other drone-related Instagram accounts. Comment on other pictures. Post your own pictures in short videos. Get friends and family who are on Instagram to follow you. A bonus tip. As with Twitter, keep this account for drone-related content only. Okay, so now, Bill, I'm ready to create my videos, right? One more tip, and this one is probably the most important one. I'd strongly recommend doing all of this for 3 to 4 weeks before posting and shooting your first video. Now, you're going to ask me, why, Bill, should I do that? You're working on getting both you and your channel name established in the drone community. So when you post your first video, there'll be quite a number of people out there who recognize both you and your channel. Next, in part 4, we're going to look at creating content. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.